What's up, guys? I'm Kyle Milan. Today we're at the District Leadership Conference. We're a member of the PMA, and I'm also the chairman of the Lone Star District. Every year they have a District Leadership Conference where you bring people in from districts, usually 1 or 2 people, to learn about other districts, what's going on, get updates from national. It's a little workshop type things to learn more about what we can do as a district, what we can do as an organization, help promote, do different events, and learn from everybody that's doing things. Let's jump inside.
Back again this year, 2024. But we can't thank you enough for showing up. David Flack, President of PMA. David, let me come on up here and share. You're welcome with everybody.
Yeah, I don't know. My team writes that shit. So.
I got people.
Yeah, they write stuff, I talk about it.
I could come to you and say, what you've done with Lone Star is off the charts, right?
Yeah, we're in a fortunate situation with my agency, 25 employees, all doing marketing and industrial. Being part of the Lone Star District, we just do it all ourselves. I think that a disconnect is people think that the stuff has to be professional, and it really doesn't. Just even Steve taking a picture at an event will get more engagement and impressions than some professional graphic. I think people are too focused on the polishing aspect of social media. People want to see raw. I mean, that's what it comes down to.
Well, let's jump into your presentation.
Yeah,
see what
go for it. So MFG Tribe, based out of Austin, Texas. Quickly go into some initial street cred. So one agency, also have an industrial sales training company. I've been in manufacturing for 24 years, 15 years at a level of working directly for people, 9 years owning the agency. In the last 3 years, we've generated $325 million of business for our customers. I've trained over 750 salespeople in 3 years. I get on average about 145,000 monthly impressions on LinkedIn. 2.1 million, this is how much LinkedIn has made my company in the last 2.5 years. And it's not from LinkedIn paying us, it's from creating content, generating impressions, getting people to engage, reaching out to us saying, hey, we want to talk. 2.1 million in just over 2 years. 54.6 million is what we've made our clients in the last 2.5 years from LinkedIn. So the situation, everyone that you want to do business with is on LinkedIn. Unless you're talking mom and pop shops, 4 employees, and they're baby boomer owners or baby boomer salespeople, they might not be on LinkedIn, but every single person you want to find is on LinkedIn. But if you can find everybody that are owners or C-level, especially salespeople, all of your potential customers are on the platform. You just need to connect with them and build a network. That's what it's all about.
Kyle, thank you.
Yep, absolutely. All right, guys, so that finishes up this 2-day event. What a great opportunity to get with all these people, especially from my standpoint, being new to the PMA the last 15 months, plus new to the chairman role. Learned so much information from all the other district leaders that have been doing this for up to like 20, 30 years, hearing what's working for them, what are they focusing on, what types of things, events are they planning. Got a ton of notes to go back to our next board meeting and start implementing these things in the Lone Star District. I'm excited for the next 12 months. See what we can do to push the association more, get different cities involved, because Lone Star is a big state. So instead of just focusing on Dallas, we're looking at Houston, Austin, San Antonio. I'm excited for all the ideas we have. Let's get back to Austin.